Focus. Oh. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Aisha G or whatever. What's today? It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th, and today is usually supposed to be like, I don't know, is it superstitious? You know, people be like bad luck, but it's been a pretty good day to me. As most of you know, I am starting my vending machine business. I've been uploading videos here and there. I have another video that I'm editing that's coming up next, and then I'll have this one for you guys, and I'm just gonna keep recording my journey to open this vending machine business. Let me tell y'all, it is not easy starting a business. If anybody ever told you that starting a business is easy, you need to tell me what type of business they got, because this is not easy at all. But one day at a time, a lot of hard work, determination, you know, you can do whatever you want to. A few weeks ago, I bought 3 vending machines from a guy, but I hadn't had a place to put them yet. So luckily I found a good price for a trailer and a storage room so that we can pick the vending machines up, put them on a trailer, and take it to the storage room. So right now we're headed to the warehouse to get the machines, and we'll be headed to the storage shortly after. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss upcoming videos about this vending machine business journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep y'all updated.
Bring your big ass here. I'm daddy, goddammit. I've got the daddy.
You want to leave it here? You got to push it. You want to take that?
We're good right here. Move on the extreme.
Okay. I'm good.
Push this side. No, straight. Come on, push this side. Okay? Push.
y'all, let me tell you, loading a vending machine on a trailer is not easy. Okay, it wasn't easy, especially if you only have 2 people and one is a me. Initially, like we went up there to pick up 3 vending machines. That's what happened, but we ran into a few problems sometimes. Like, I know when we first started putting them on there, the trailer was kind of like bending up. It was like, so the truck is like this and the trailer is like this. The trick to loading the vending machines onto a trailer is putting the heaviest vending machine in the front of the trailer versus the back, because if you put it in the back, then it's gonna be off balance and all. Another thing that I learned was that our trailer was, I think, 6 by 10. We had 3 vending machines to put on there. Pallets only take up space. If you don't need them, don't use them. Okay, another thing that I learned by doing this whole thing was you need help. Okay, that, I mean, it's just as simple as that. I'm trying to be as profitable as I can by not giving out more money than I'm bringing in. I'm trying to stay as cheap as possible, but do the things right. So this time, me and my boyfriend basically, you know, moved all 3 in by ourselves. He had most of the work, and because it's heavy, those machines weigh almost 600 pounds. So it's kind of hard for only 2 people regardless. Even if it's 2 men, it's kind of hard. So, not kinda, it's very hard. I suggest anybody, if you start trying to start a vending machine business, have somebody help you, because get a team. You need maybe 4 people. What else? The dolly that we used, it had the ratchet strap on it, so you could like tie the vending machine around, which was helpful also. So other than that, everything was successful. It was a workout. I got my cardio in for the day, and that's about it. The next thing that I have to do is to just, you know, start fixing it up and start fixing what I need to fix, getting it ready to be put out for business. And that's going to be another journey. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe so that you would not miss it. How was today, babe?
George, I'm the help.
What's that mean?
If you happy, then I'm happy. If you're not happy, then I'm not happy.
I'm happy. See that smile? I'm happy.